Hello, I am Dr. Vijay Deshmukh, founder of Smilex. I'm practicing dental implant for last 30 years and more. This question is asked by one of the patient. I got loose gums, I got loose teeth, they're all shaking. Why this has happened and will dental implant help me? So typically this is the most commonest reason for patients to lose teeth in India is the adult periodontitis. So it's very common. As per WHO, more than 51% of Indian adults got chronic periodontitis, and because of that reason, they are losing their teeth. And as per the national survey, it is said that around 79 to 89% of the patients got one or many loose teeth, or they already lost the teeth. So if you are feeling that your teeth are loose, you are amongst the very common problems in India. So adult periodontitis is very common, where you get gum infection. Gum infection goes into the alveolar bone, and the alveolar bone, once it becomes disease, it starts dissolving around the tooth and the teeth start shaking. So if it is less bone loss, then possibly we can reverse by doing gum treatment. But most of the time when the mobility is too much, gum surgery will not be able to help you to make the teeth stronger, and these are the candidates required to undergo dental implants. So if your natural teeth has lost, definitely there is a chance that the implant can also fail. But today, latest implants, advanced way of managing the case by examining the bone, alveolar bone, basal bone, we can comfortably treat you with a grand success. I would say today almost 20 to 30% patient which we treat today is we take out their teeth and place full mouth implants. This is very routine at Smilex because we see so many number of patients who got loose teeth, who got periodontitis, who got gum infections a decade back, and now practically all teeth are shaking. So they need to be helped. And recently we had a case coming from abroad, from Yemen, and we did remove all the teeth. And then we placed 8 and 8, 16 implants, and we just transformed the patient. So today it can be done successfully. But the method is very important. The procedure is very important. The surgery has to be aseptic. The bone has to be handled very, very carefully. And you need to place the implant at a right placement of the alveolar bone as well as in the basal bone. The strength has to come around the implant. Then many times we have to do the grafting procedure. We have to use the membrane around the implant to make a stronger quality of bone around the implant. So if the implant is well protected inside the bone, the implant work for very, very long term. So loose teeth is very, very common. Don't worry in adults. And then there is a solution which is also very predictable. So nothing to worry that if you got loose teeth, there is no help. Definitely loose teeth doesn't mean the end. We can definitely help you much better at Smilex. So a stringent protocol, a proper treatment plan, a proper digital flow, very well quality of material, a good quality of regenerative material. This all can add and give you a smile, new smile from the titanium foundation, because implants are made from titanium and zirconia alloys, and very latest designs of implant will be able to help you to have a new teeth. But your responsibility is also there. Your responsibility to maintain. You have to brush 2 times a day. You have to use mouthwash. You have to use floss. You have to use water floss. All this care every 6 monthly. You have to see the you have to visit the implant center. Every year you have to do the annual X-rays of your teeth. This is all very important from you, because this has come with so much of struggle to you. This has costed you a lot. So your responsibility is also there to visit the center and go in the maintenance program. Full mouth dental implants require rigorous maintenance. Very careful observation is required from the team. And every 6 months, every year, you must visit your center, and then you can have the longevity from the implants. So loose teeth doesn't mean don't lose the hope, and there is a predictable way of managing the case today, and it can be done very predictably, successfully. So thank you for watching Smilex.